Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a vertical clip with a seamless action at the end and start. Make sure the main motion lines up so the eye won't see a jump. Once ready, trim to the tightest loopable moment and export a high-quality master using H.264 at 1080x 1920 and 3060 fps. You do this first because upload settings and format determine whether the platform will replay cleanly. Small framing fixes now build the actual loop inside your editor. Duplicate the clip, place a reversed copy after it, and align the frames so motion continues logically. Use a tiny crossfade of 1 to 3 frames or frame blending to hide the cut. This prevents jerkiness when the video returns to the start. Also decide whether audio should loop or be muted. If sound pops, trim or add a microfade. Once done, export a single continuous file that reads as endless motion. Finish by uploading the exported file as a shorts upload and include hash shorts in the title or description. This helps platform detection. Make sure the clip is under 60 seconds and the visual loop point is indistinguishable. If you notice it won't loop, first clear app cache or test on another device. If the jump persists, re-export with a tiny 0.50. 2-second pad at start or end, or reapply the micro crossfade and re-upload. That usually fixes playback jumps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.